Trixie, get your tug. Yay, Trixie. Good girl. Get that tug. That's your tug. Go, Trixie, get that tug. Go get your tug, huh? Get your tug. Hurry up. Get that tug for me. Yeah, good girl. Huh? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Trixie, you gonna go play? You gonna go play with that baby? Go play with that baby, huh? Mm-hmm. What are you sniffing, huh? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah, huh? Yeah, you better go. Mm-hmm. That's it. That's that baby girl, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, there you go, huh? Mm-hmm. You better go get that tug, Trixie. Go get that. You better go get that tug, Trixie. You better go play. Go get it. Yeah, good girl. You better get that tug. Uh-huh. What'd you do to that baby? Yeah, that's it, that's it. Uh-huh. Yeah, good girl. Mm-hmm. Come on, Reba. Come on, get this tug. Come on, Reba. Yeah. Uh-oh. Trixie, go get that tug. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Yeah. There you go. Good girl. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Be careful with that baby. Mm-hmm. Are you okay, Reba? Are you okay? Hmm? Yeah. Reba, what are you doing? What'd you do to your baby, huh? Come on, Reba. Reba, come on out. Come on, little girl. Come on. Come on, Reba. Come on. Come on out. Come on out. Come on, Reba. There you go. Oh, my goodness. Look at you, huh? Hey, Reba. Reba, what are you doing here? Yeah, forget that. Yeah, forget that. You. Okay, Trixie, you're going to break your little friend there. Come on. Okay, that's enough. Trix, come on. Good girl. Very nice. Good girl.